5 miles north of the White House, tucked inside Walter Reed Army Medical Center, sits one of the most interesting and yet often overlooked museums in Washington, D.C. Step into the National Museum of Health and Medicine. Some of the most interesting and unique items you will ever see are on display here, and most you won't find anywhere else. Walk through Trauma Bay 2, a former Air Force tent hospital from Operation Iraqi Freedom. You'll see the floor stained with iodine and the gouges caused by heavy stretchers being wheeled in. This was where some of the most severe injuries were treated and where hundreds of lives were saved. Explore an FBI post-mortem fingerprinting kit, virtually identical to those that the FBI uses today, as well as human skulls with Civil War-era gunshot wounds, autopsy scales, and even items from a soldier who was buried at the Tomb of the Unknowns and has since been identified. Immerse yourself into the history of Magnification with dozens of historical devices lining the walls. View Civil War-era surgery kits used to remove bullets from battlefield wounds. And if you aren't intrigued yet, examine the actual bullet that killed Abraham Lincoln, a lock of his hair, and a plaster cast of his face. Mobile Army surgical hospitals were deployed during the Korean conflict in 1950 and were the basis behind one of the most popular television shows of a generation. Iron lungs, electrostatic machines, and dental x-ray units wait to be explored next to skeletons of both adults and even children. The National Museum of Health and Medicine is open daily from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and admission is always free, although donations are greatly appreciated. Security at the base may check your ID and inspect your car, but these heavily guarded exhibits are worth the wait. They cannot be found anywhere else and provide a rare look into the history of American medicine and the advancements of an entire nation.